Hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Beauty Blaster. Today I am going to show you how to achieve this gorgeous graduated bob cut that is perfect for spring and summer. This haircut is also known as a stake bob or an inverted bob, and it's one of my favorite style to wear. A graduated bob cut has shorter layer at the back that created a staked effect and longer layer at the front that frame the face. The angle of the cut can vary depending on how dramatic you want it to be. You can also add some bangs, highlights or curls to customize your look. To get this haircut, you will need a pair of scissors, a comb, some clips and blow dryer. You can also use a flat iron or a curling iron if you want to style your hair after the cut. The first step is to wash and towel dry your hair. Then comb your hair and part it in the middle or on the side, depending on your preference. Next, divide your hair into four sections, two at the front and two at the back. Clip up the front section and leave the back section loose. Now start cutting the back section. Hold a small section of hair at the nape of your neck and cut it horizontally at the desired length. This will be your guide for the rest of the back section. Then take another section above the first one and cut it slightly shorter than the previous one. Following the angle of your head, repeat this process until you reach the crown of your head. You should have a graduated shape at the back with shorter layer on the top of the longer one. Next, unclip off the front section and comb it forward. Cut it at an angle that matches the back section on the same side. Make sure to leave some length at the front to create a nice contrast with the back. Repeat this step with the other front section on the opposite side. Finally, blow dry your hair and style it as you like. You can use a flat iron or a curling iron to smooth or curl your hair, or just leave it natural. You can also add some texture spray or hairspray to give your hair some hold and volume. And that's it. You have just created a beautiful graduated bob cut that is easy to maintain and fun to wear. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more hair tutorials and ideas. Thank you for watching the Beauty Blaster, and I will see you in my next video.